Now that you have understood the correct mindset to practice and the fundamental property principles, you are now ready for the next part, the reason to invest in property. Let's start with the basics. What is property investment? Investing in property means that you purchase a property with the intention of earning an investment return, either through rental income, where you have other people pay your rent every month, or through the capital appreciation of the real estate, or both. A property investment can be long-term or short-term. In the case of flipping, where the property is bought, remodeled, or renovated and sold at a profit over time. Why do we need to invest? Isn't investing in property risky? Well, of course it is, but let me tell you something. Not investing is even riskier. And with the current economic downturn, another problem arises: inflation. The cost of living is increasing, and important daily items are experiencing an even quicker inflation rate. If you don't do something about this, it will eat up your money slowly without you even realizing it. Imagine having only one source of income, that is your 9-to-5 job, for the rest of your life. The speed at which you reach your financial goal will pretty much be stagnant with only one resource of income. If you have only one source of income in today's world, you may not be able to succeed, let alone survive. I do not deny the fact that purchasing a property is scary and the prices of property are way beyond our affordability. But while it behaves the way it wants and likes, let's look into ourselves instead and see what we can do about it. Because if you're not thinking like strategists, you are only going to be victims. Victims do not get rich, they only complain. And they don't think of ways to get out of the situation. So let's be strategists and let's invest.